Ayuthi aria mahetwo kandarathi mubango-ini wa urimi taoni-ini ya Kisumu muthenya wa umuthi ni matabanirie murungano wa thao taoni-ini iyo maroretwo ofisi-ini cia gavana nginyagia makienda thirikari ya kaunti marehe mbeca ciao.
We were to be paid, but now the money is not yet reflected into our account. So my issue is this: we want CBT, now CPD in conjunction, because if I see this my tag, the affiliated bodies or organs, I can see Kisumu County, meaning they are part and parcel of this project. So we want them to expedite our payment from today. Failure to do that from today, tomorrow but one, we will strike. We will strike.
Agripreneurs power. Agripreneurs power. Today we converge here as Kisumu County agripreneurs. We are exercising our right to picket over delayed dues which we worked for during the profiling of the farmers exercise, which ended 3 months back.
Ayuthi aya mumana marakara maruganire nginyagia ofisi-ini cia gavana makienda kwaraniria na gavana imwe kwa imwe kurumirira gucerithĩrio kwa mbeca ciao kuria murugamiriri munene wa taoni ya Kisumu Wanga ageririe kumahoreria hindi maga kuiguithania kuna makoretwo magitwara mateta mao kuri thirikari iyo no mateta mao makoretwo makigwira matumena njinga.
It's very bad if we can have a meeting with these guys. In these meetings, we have 2 proposals. Somebody urinates on your first proposal, which was the weighed payment models. The second one was the date for the payments. And then when you make calls, everybody is having different information. Everybody is giving you each and every communication that it feels befits his team.
Akiranira uhoro ucio murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa urimi kaunti-ini ya Kisumu Kenneth onyango nirire ayuthi acio ati mishara yao iri njira na mekwamukira mishara yao muthenya wa ruciu na kuriongereire ati mbeca icio ni gucererwo icereirwo kurekererio.
Today the national team has started disbursing your money directly to your accounts. I am the minister. I'm the minister in charge. Please. They have started disbursing money in all sub-counties of Kisumu.
Hadone ha Muthingi TV ni tagongendo wa jogu.
And as we are talking, your money is being paid.